kitty cat. Meow. Meow. Another kitty cat. Oh, look at the kitty cats. They're so sweet. Oh my goodness, look at those kitty cats.
You have to record me.
Excuse me. Look at our horse. It's a little dirty. You love your house?
Hey, let me show you something, and you can record it. See how I got it touching on this end and touching on this end, and most all the gaps is down through here. I done that on purpose because, like, however much gap I got here, that's how much I have to cut out, or just that one spot.
No.
And over here to bring it down to where it's touching. It's less cutting with the chainsaw.
Daddy.
But if you got it where it's like touching in the middle and not touching on the ends, you got to do a lot more sawing to bring it down.
Daddy.
Yes, baby.
How will you make my house?
I'm working on it. I'm working on your house.
And like this?
Yep. I'm gonna put a roof on it.
Yeah.
4 more logs and we'll get a roof on it.
But whenever I've been sealed.
I'm tired.
Sealed.
We can call it that day if you want. We found a turkey feather.